Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome to the Monday Grind. Now, I hope you guys had the greatest weekend ever. I hope you all are fully rested for the work week. And with that being said, we got an awesome watch face, a couple of awesome watch faces to check out by my gallery. Now, the first one is going to be called the Duke. This is going to be a nice, elegant watch face. She's bringing new flavor to the table with this one, considering the watch faces that she has brought before this one. This one is definitely nice. Now, let's take a look at it. First of all, in AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look, which looks really awesome. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get 3 dials, well, 4 in all. And at the top is going to be your battery percentage. The one to the left is going to be info in your 24-hour time. The one to the right is going to give you your step status info so far as your goal completed. And also it's going to give you info on not only the date, but also the month and the day of the week as well. Now, I'm really loving the look of the hands. Now, this video isn't going to do it justice. You got to check this out in person, but it looks awesome. Take my word for it. Even the second hand looks nice. But you cannot extract any information so far as step status is concerned. But what makes this watch face really, really nice is the fact that you can customize the color theme. So I'm going to double tap. It has 16 in all that you can change this to. So depending on what you wear for the day, this watch face is going to fit any occasion with any wear for the most part. Nice. 16 people. 16. Just double tap. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome watch face. I love this night theme mode. This night theme mode looks beautiful. We're going to cycle through just so you can see. Not bad at all. What do you think, people? Of course, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called the Duchess. Now, the Duchess is more so going to be for the ladies than it is for the guys. But guys, you be the judge of it at the end of the day. I think you're going to be able to get away with some of these colors within this watch face. But let's go ahead. Let's check it out. All right. Now, looking at this watch face, it looks very familiar to the one that we've done before it. I think the difference is more so going to be within the colors. But let's go ahead. Let's have a closer look. Of course, at the top, you're going to get battery info. To the left, that's going to be your 24-hour time info. To the right, of course, again, you're going to get your step status info. And down at the bottom, same thing. You're going to get the month, the day of the week, and also the date. The second hand is going to be the same, so it's going to look nice. It's going to have an elegant look, just like number 1 did. The color is what's going to be different about this watch face compared to number 1. Let's check it out. Double tap, got a peach color, reddish. So guys, you may be able to get away with a couple of these colors. This isn't bad at all. More so pastel colors for the most part. Maybe you like that one. This is not a bad look. I mean, you get 16 colors in all. You got this dark theme mode that you got on number 1. Looks awesome. Looks totally awesome. What do you think, guys? Ladies? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And please continue to grind hard, people. I'm telling you, it's going to be over with soon. Just keep busy. And I'll see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.